In this question, you have to match the components in list 1 with those in list 2. Now, Pleurobrachia is a member of the phylum Ctenophora. Thus, A matches with 2. Radula is a rasping feeding organ present in phylum Mollusca. Thus, B matches with 1. A stomachord is a rudimentary structure which is very similar to notochord, and it is found in the collar region of the members of the phylum Hemichordata. Thus, C matches with 4. An ear bladder is found in osteichthyes, which provides buoyancy. Thus, D matches with 3. Hence, the correct answer is option D.